Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we will be unboxing iPad Air 4th generation. Let's get to it. Alright, welcome back. I shot the unboxing video and I accidentally deleted the file. But anyways, here's the box. Beautiful looking box. Apple is really good at doing good packaging for all their products. So this is a 256 gigabyte iPad Air 4th generation. The great thing about this iPad is it comes with a charger, a wall charger, and a charging cable. So that's very nice. And you've got this beautiful space gray. This is 10.9 inch. Alright, we'll keep it here. Move the dog, Maxi. And you get your little instructional manual and your famous Apple stickers. And these are the two slots for the wall charger and the cable. Alright, so if you're in the market out there looking to buy an iPad and you don't want to blow out your budget, iPad Air is the way to go. I know right now iPad Pro is out there as well, which came out a few months after this, I think. And really, don't worry about wasting your money on iPad Pro, because you can get away with all the great features using just the iPad Air. So there are four main differences between this iPad Air and iPad Pro. This iPad has a 60 Hz refresh rate, whereas iPad Pro has 120. It's not a big deal whatsoever. This doesn't have a Face ID. So what? You got a nice little Touch ID button up on the top that you could press, and boom, your iPad is on. This iPad doesn't have a wide angle camera. Now you don't have to worry about that either, because who's going around and shooting wide angle images using your iPad? And of course, the fourth difference is that iPad is a bigger size iPad. Now, I actually have my first generation 2015 iPad Pro here, and just to give you an idea of the size difference. So if this is the size you're after, I think then I would highly recommend going out and buying an iPad Pro. But if this is not what you're worried about, this baby has all the horsepower the same iPad Pro has, which is the new iPad Pro 2021, not the old one. So I just want to show you guys quickly how fast this 2015 iPad moves when you're scrolling through the pages, and just give you an idea that this thing is so powerful. Alright, so this is a 2015 iPad Pro. Pretty fast, huh? Alright. There aren't lot of icons in here, but what we'll do, we'll just open a couple and see how fast it takes to open. So that's the Maps, App Store. It opened pretty fast. Settings pretty quick. Let's go to camera. Opens fast as well. Here we go, lifestyles. You can open iTunes Store, and it opens pretty fast. GarageBand, and that was pretty quick too. Now this hasn't been set up already, so because it's brand new. As you guys can see, it's a pretty fast iPad, and we've been using it. Ingrid has been using this for the past few days, and her experience has been pretty great. So guys, the other thing that I forgot to mention was that this iPad can actually take the Magic Keyboard and the other version as well, the Folio keyboard or whatever, the Apple's two keyboards which are available. This iPad is compatible, and that is really good. that would be it. Alright guys, thanks for watching a very quick video. Obviously this video is not sponsored, and Ingrid purchased this with her own money, and highly recommend this because it is a powerhouse of an iPad. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I do vlogs, I do tech review, I do a lot of heavy metal rock music review as well. So see you guys in one of my videos. Take care. Bye.